Okay, well, here we are down at Ashley's allotment, and basically I got told that to either repair or take down the shed because it's a health and safety issue, which I wholeheartedly agree. So if you look down here by the pot, when I open the shed door, yeah, it's not attached. I've cleared most of the stuff out of it, just got a couple of units to get out, as you can see, and a few other bits and bobs. But I'll just show you the amount of movement if get it in. Yeah, so you know that's a definite health and safety issue. So this will be coming down today. It's not repairable. It's rotten in so many places. The floor is virtually non-existent. So I will now have a cup of tea and get on with it, and I will give you a little bit more insight in a bit. Well, this is the progress so far, a couple of hours later. Some of the roof is off. I think they had a job lot of screws they needed to get rid of for this one, but no, doesn't grumble. So yeah, we're getting there. Other half of the roof, and plain sailing from then on. Catch you in a bit. Okay, well that's the shed taken down. I'm going to keep these units here for now. I'll put a few items in that drawer unit and then the shelf unit, just so as it tidies up this area a bit. I don't know what to do with that. It's very stiff, not easy to cut. But you know, we'll get there, or I'll get there. And I'm going to see out of all the panels, see if I can't make up some sort of storage box for the tools over there. As for now, they've got to, well, I'm hoping that tidy this lot up, that I can put the tools down here just to keep them tidy. So yeah, that's the end of the shed, I suppose, and hopefully a bit more of a revamp of this area, because I wasn't happy with it anyway. It became a bit of a dumping ground, so might have to spend a few pounds and get somebody up here with a van, get rid of the rubbish, make a nice clean start. So on that note, I'll catch you again later. Bye.